Angedizin. Hi. Start with a flower. Now, make a branch. Make it bold. Fill the branch by adding some flowers and some leaves. Keep on going. Some more. Draw the outline with pointer. Take 2 pencils, hold them as I did, and start writing the name you want. Just make sure you are holding the pencil tightly, so you will not lose a grip. Now join the points, which are looking apart. Make it highlighted also. It's the time for coloring. I am doing the border with marker colors. But for the name, I have chosen the pencil ones. I am merging the colors. And ta-da! Here is the final look. I hope you like it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.